friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Wit. Today I am outside of Hobby Lobby on my lunch break, so we're headed inside to look at 1, their Christmas stuff, and 2, to check out their 80% off deals that they have on fall decor. I've said it before and I will say it again, this is my favorite time of year to go shopping for some Christmas stuff, and the trick is you get the fall stuff that is just kind of galvanized metal stuff that you can use year round, but then you put it into your Christmas decor. So let's go see what they have in here. The sale's been going a couple days, so we'll see if I can luck out. Let's go. So I'm currently power walking through the store because I'm on my lunch break, so I'm not able to show you everything, but if you do want to see a ton of stuff that Hobby Lobby has, go check out Auntie Cuckoo's channel. I will link it up above and down below. She is like the best for just giving you a full catalog version of what's in the store. I think she's got 3 editions of Hobby Lobby, so head over there if you want to see all the things. I'm just kind of giving you a highlight reel. So many cute Christmas ornaments. I love Hobby Lobby for their hobby, no pun intended, ornaments, because this is where I get a ton of fishing ones for my husband. It's nice to commemorate that kind of stuff, big trips, big catches, etc. You got bobbers, you got different kind of fish. For a hunter, you've got shell casings, you got an outdoorsy husband, brother, etc. Come to Hobby Lobby. Some of these ones that are signs you can totally use as decor, so you can set them up in a vignette, and you don't have to use them just as an ornament. You could put them on a wreath. There's a ton of different options, and at 50% off, this is a great way to build up your decor for your house. Oh my gosh, how cute are these, you guys? This is not subliminal messaging, I'm not pregnant, but how cute would that be to give that if you're expecting this holiday? So cute. Had to find the black lab, but I have this guy from last year, but ooh, look at that. When you're buying ornaments here, make sure nothing's busted off of it, but I have this one on my tree already. These are super cute if you're a Ray Dunn fan. Can't find any. They've got red and green. So I'm back home and I wanted to actually show you in person what these things look like that I picked up at Hobby Lobby today. So the first was this little tray, like pedestal, but it's galvanized. And it was $23.99, 80% off. So I think that was like $4 something. And this I'm so excited to use in Christmas decor because it's gonna look so cute. And then also this thing I was so jacked to find. I've been looking for a tray like this on sale forever and a day. This guy was $34.99, 80% off. And I love how much space there is here and how big this top tray is with the little handle. This is gonna be awesome for all the things I'm collecting for Christmas. So I will be sure to show you how I decorate that. And then the other two things I grabbed were these magnets. Sebastian, you want to say hi? This is definitely a very impromptu video, folks, as you're seeing this. Farm Fresh Christmas trees and deck the halls. These are magnets, and they were $3.99 regular price, so about $2 with the 50% off Christmas sale. And I love that they are magnets because I'm going to use them as little mini signs in my tiered tray. And so these will just go ahead and stick on that metal. So hopefully you can get them in place and they won't fall over. So that's my idea. Stick around for my home tour to figure that out. But these two were definitely my best scores. I didn't grab any other Christmas stuff but these two. So I'm going to have to go back. I was on a lunch break, but did want to share these two with you. Today is Wednesday, November 14th, and I'm outside of Chicago in the suburbs. So if you haven't been to Hobby Lobby to check out their clearance, I would definitely go tomorrow, Thursday or Friday, because if not, you're probably going to miss out and it's going to be gone by the weekend. So be sure to head and check it out. Those galvanized things were the best deal that I found. Also, like I mentioned in the video, if you are interested in seeing all of the things, all of the different items that Hobby Lobby has to offer this holiday season, check out Auntie Cuckoo's channel. I've been binge watching all of her videos. She goes to a ton of different places. So if you haven't checked her out, I will link it up above and also down in the comments below. I love her channel and she gives such good tips with how you can use the items. So head over there if you want a full rundown of everything that they have to offer. And thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like going shopping with me, and hit subscribe because there is much more Christmas stuff coming your way. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.